Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Docker has revolutionized how we develop and deploy applications, but are you getting the most out of it? Many common pitfalls can slow you down or inflate your images. In this video, we're diving into 5 essential Docker tips that will help you build leaner, faster, and more robust containers. Let's optimize your workflow. First up, multi-stage builds. This is a game changer for reducing image size. Instead of building your application and then copying artifacts into a separate, final, image manually, multi-stage builds allow you to define multiple build stages within a single Docker file. This separates your build environment from your runtime environment, resulting in significantly smaller and more secure production images. It's incredibly efficient. Next, don't forget your .dockerignore file. Just like .gitignore, this file tells Docker CLI which files and directories to exclude when building the image. Failing to use it means sending unnecessary files like your node_modules, .git directory, or local development logs to the Docker daemon, bloating your build context and slowing down the build process. Keep it lean. Tip number 3, optimize your Dockerfile layers. Each command in a Dockerfile creates a new layer. Docker caches these layers, but too many can be inefficient. Combine related commands using and to reduce the number of layers. For instance, run apt-get update and apt-get install y package is better than 2 separate run commands. This improves caching and reduces image size. Our 4th tip is crucial for stateful applications: use Docker volumes for persistent data. Containers are ephemeral, meaning data written inside them is lost when the container is removed. Volumes provide a way to store data persistently outside the container's file system. This ensures your databases, user uploads, or configuration files survive container restarts and updates, making your applications more robust. Finally, implement health checks in your Docker files. A health check instruction tells Docker how to test if a container is still working correctly. Instead of just checking if a process is running, a health check can verify if your application is actually serving requests. This is invaluable for orchestrators like Kubernetes, allowing them to gracefully restart unhealthy containers and improve application reliability.